Hi guys! For today's video, pupunta kami ngayon sa Bayleaf Hotel, Skydeck View Bar. Located siya sa Intramuros. And ayun, first time naming itatry. So, we'll see kung masarap ba talaga yung food nila doon. So, nakita ko lang din to sa TikTok. And sakto naman yung friend ko nag-book ng reservation. Hello ulit! So, ayun na nga. Yung Skydeck View Bar pala is nag-implement sila ng 2-seating schedule. Yung first one is from 4 p.m. until 7 p.m. While yung pangalawa naman is from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. So yung nag-accommodate din sila ng request if you want to sit dun sa magandang view. Pwede naman as long as you're early 15 minutes before your reservation time. So sana makuha namin yung place na yon and para maganda yung background. Let's go guys! Hi guys! Here's Skydeck! Fit check before kumain. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and ipopost ko na lang sa last part ng video kung ano yung mga in-order namin and kung magkano siya. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!